Lolo loves to spend time on the farm with her many animals. Her Great Dane, Titan, is always by her side. He is a goofy dog and loves life on the farm. Lolo loves her horse, Rain, and is preparing for a local horse show. She loves riding Rain, and competing is great fun. The Grand Meadows Horse Show was a much-anticipated event where young riders gathered to compete, showcase their skills, and, most importantly, learn about dedication, sportsmanship, and friendship. Among them were Lolo, a talented and hardworking rider, her best friend, Violet, a determined newcomer, Rita, and Vivian, who struggled with practice but wanted to win. In the warm-up ring, excitement buzzed as Violet expressed her enthusiasm for the competition. She and Lolo had trained hard, eager to demonstrate their skills. Rita, new to Grand Meadows but experienced in riding, hoped to keep up with them. Lolo and Violet encouraged her, recognizing her passion for horses and dedication to improvement. Vivian, however, approached with impatience. Frustrated that she never won, she complained about the competition's fairness. Lolo gently reminded her that success came from practice, but Vivian dismissed the idea, unwilling to acknowledge the importance of preparation. As the competition commenced, each girl took turns guiding their horses through the challenging course. The crowd cheered as they performed their routines with grace and precision. When the last rider finished, the announcer began calling the results. Rita placed third and beamed with excitement. Violet took second, laughing joyfully. And Lolo, with her consistent dedication, claimed the blue ribbon for first place. While the winners celebrated, Vivian reacted bitterly. Unwilling to wait for all the results, she turned her horse and rode out of the arena, muttering in frustration. Violet called after her, urging her to stay, but Vivian refused, claiming the competition was unfair. The remaining girls watched her leave, wishing she would realize the value of perseverance. Rita noted that Vivian was a talented rider who simply needed more practice. Lolo agreed, explaining that winning required effort, hard work, and the ability to celebrate others' victories. As the girls accepted their ribbons and posed for a picture, they understood that true success lay in their dedication and friendships. While Vivian struggled to see it now, they hoped she would eventually learn that hard work and a positive attitude made all the difference. The Grand Meadows Horse Show concluded with cheers and smiles, a reminder that perseverance and camaraderie always shine the brightest.